Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to screen record using Samsung Galaxy S10. So just follow me with this step by step, but before that, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification, alright? So here we go. From your home screen, all you need to do is to swipe your screen down and look for screen recorder button. So after that, you have three options and it will show up. If you want no sounds, media sounds, or media sounds and mic if you want to hear the background. And then after that, just press the start recording. It will count down and you can go back to YouTube if you want to record from YouTube. So just find the clip that you want to record. And then while it's recording, if you want to tilt your phone for a landscape, you can do that as well. So after that, on the top right corner, you will see the stop button. Once you're done, your recordings will be saved directly to your gallery. And then from there, just find the screen recordings and you're good to go. Thank you, and I'm hoping that this video helped you how to do a screen recordings. See you next time.